Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce regular paper waste when we are printing projects that we are going to want eventually on cardstock or glossy paper or labels. So the first thing you're going to do is identify which part of your print job you want cardstock or special paper. I've identified that I want 4, 5, 6, and 7 from this project. So I'm going to come to my printer icon. I'm going to do custom pages 4 through 7 as cardstock. And then right here, I'm going to go to more settings. This will allow me to send it to the bypass tray and get it ready for cardstock. In more settings, I'm going to come down to where it says print using system dialog, and I'm going to click this square with the arrow. And the square with the arrow will let me pull up my whole printer queue. I'm going to come here to where it says preferences. From preferences, I'm going to click paper source. Now I want cardstock for this project. You could click something else, but I'm going to send it to my bypass tray so I can put in cardstock. And then I know that for this project, I'm going to do it just a little bit heavier paper because it is cardstock. So I'm going to click heavy paper 1. And I am ready to go. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to hit print. Now I know that this is going to be sent to the printer and ready for the bypass tray. I also have my system set up so that it's on a hold so that it won't actually print until I get there. So I can take the time to pick out what color of cardstock I want, put it in the bypass tray, and then go in and put my print job in manually. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Hope this helps. Bye.